Do you want to lose body fat, especially on your tummy? This is the video for you. So in this video, I am going to be using some clove seeds, honey, lemon, ginger, as well as a grater for my ginger. To begin, you will need a pot with 2 cups of water. In the 2 cups of water, you will put 1 teaspoon of clove seeds. For mine, I didn't put a full teaspoon. That is why I had to increase the amount of clove seeds. That's why you see me putting it twice. After putting the clove seeds, I used my grater to chop my ginger into tiny pieces. So it's going to help in the mixture after it is well boiled. Note that cloves stimulate metabolism, thereby helping in losing weight, while ginger encourages efficient digestion, so food doesn't linger as long in the gut. Your gut is in your stomach, so our main goal is to lose weight, and these 2 benefits of ginger and cloves are going to help us in that process. Pay attention to the fact that we are going to be using the peeling of the ginger because we need the peelings to get the right amount of nutritional benefits needed for this combo, which can only come from the peelings and not the peeled ginger. So please make sure you are using the peelings. Just wash your ginger and chop it with the peelings. After that, close the combo for 30 minutes under medium heat and let it boil for 30 minutes. And after that, as you can see, the color of the combo water has changed to pale yellow, brownish somehow. You can see how everything is coming out. That at this point, you now know your combo is ready for the next step. Next step, we are going to sieve the ginger, chopped ginger, and the clove seeds. That is after you let it sit. For me, I let it sit to get cold before I can sieve it. But if you're in a hurry, you can just sieve it while it's hot. But I let mine get cold before I sieve it. So after sieving everything, you want to move on to adding your lemon. You will need half lemon. So cutting my lemon into 2, I'm going to use half of it, extract all the juice with my hand. If you have a juice extractor, you can use it, but for me, I'm going to be using my hand. So I'm going to squeeze everything, all the juice, into the 2 cups of tea. As you can see, squeezing everything out. And note that this combo, you are taking it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and last thing in the night before you go to bed. For how long is going to depend on you and the result you want to get. So you also need to add 1 teaspoon of honey because this combo is a little bit bitter. Honey gives it that taste and that scent smell that you want to get when drinking it. So just add 1 teaspoon of honey to these 2 cups and then you stir till everything is well mixed up. Then you can taste to see the results that you've gotten. Then you serve it either hot or cold depending on you. So for mine, I'm going to serve these 2 cups like for 2 or 3 days. And that's it for this weight loss tea combo. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. Thank you.